This is a question from Mains 2024 GS Paper 3, and this is a snippet from the handouts from our Smart Current Affair classes theme. Pause it, have a look, and understand how relieved and amazing our Smart Current Affairs students would have felt when they were looking at the Mains 2024 paper. And this is just one question, it gets better. We were able to give 25 reflections in Mains 2024 paper. Let's face it, more than 60% of the questions in prelims and mains are directly or indirectly tied with current events. And if you're leaving current affairs behind, you're leaving a mark on the table. But don't you worry, Vajiram and Ravi's Smart Current Affairs program has got you covered. But what is that makes it smart? The features. Yes, the features like comprehensive coverage of top sources like The Hindu, Indian Express, PIB, or interlinkages with the static syllabus to give depth and dimension to your answers, factual prelims training and mains mastery, live MCQ quizzes, answer writing, and expert insights to sharpen your edge. This program will be designed in two phases. Phase 1 will be prelims oriented only, that will go on from February to April 2025. In this, you will master the tricky questions with amazing problem solving skills. Phase 2 will be mains oriented. That will go on from June to August 2025. In that phase, you will work on your mains answer writing, interlinking it with the current events to deliver high quality answers for impactful results in the mains. Remember, you can either go for just phase 1, that is prelims only, or you can enroll for phase 1 as well as phase 2, that will be prelims and mains comprehensively involved together. And it just gets better with our detailed handouts, which will come with better understanding about all the schemes, indices, reports that you have to include in your mains answer to give those amazing answers for those amazing results. So what are you waiting for? Join our Smart Current Affairs program 2025. Do not just prepare, dominate.